Hi, welcome to part 3. So in part 2 we have managed to move the paddles, okay, and in this part we'll see the movement of ball. Okay, let's go to the script.js file. So I've commented something here. Okay, the movement of ball is nothing but another request animation frame, but we have some conditions there. Okay, let's see anim id I have declared over above the code. Anim id equal to request animation frame of a function repeat. Okay, just copy it, repeat. Let's go and define the repeat function. Function repeat is nothing but a recursive function which calls the function again inside it. Okay. Anim id is updated with the request animation frame of repeat, and this will be called again. So now let's go and move the ball. Okay, so if, like I said, ball underscore go is down, then call ball down function. Else, which is ball go is up, call the ball up function. And now let's go and define it outside the repeat function. Yeah, of course. Let's write the function ball down. This function is used to bring the ball down, which means to increase the top CSS top of the ball. Okay, so ball dot CSS top will be passing of ball dot CSS top plus top angle, top that I have defined here. Excuse me. Yeah, this top, it will be 6 now. Okay, now the ball will come down whenever the ball go is down. Now at first we have declared the ball go as down when the game starts, so this will come down. Let's see it. Yeah, it's going down. Now we have to, now when it touches the paddle 1, it should go up, and when it touches paddle 2, it should go down again. Let's go and do that. So every time, this is where we use the collision detection, okay, of divs. So let's check if collision happened of what, ball and paddle 1, that's paddle 1, then change the ball go to up. Let's check it. Yeah, we have not defined the ball up function, that's why it's not doing anything. Let's copy this function and paste it right here, and ball up. but the CSS top minus. When we want to move the ball to the top, we'll decrease the top. Okay, that's how it works. Yeah. Okay, now we want to check when it hits the paddle 2 and set the ball go to down. Okay, so else if collision of paddle 2, then something yeah, ball go it's down, nothing. So this condition will check if ball goes down, ball up. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you move the balls, nothing happens. If this will go, okay, that's the game over condition, and we have not defined it yet. Now let's change the right and left angle. See, when it hits the right side of the paddle, it's going up, and there's no change in the right and left angle, right? So let's change the angle. That's how we can do that here. If we should check where it is hitting, in the ball is hitting in the paddle. Okay, so let's take the ball center first. Ball center equal to, it's nothing, the passing value of ball dot CSS left plus ball underscore width divided by 2. That will give us the ball CSS left plus ball width. CSS left plus ball width divided by 2 will give the center of the ball. Now let's see what we have in the paddle center is the percent of paddle, which is paddle 1. Now we're checking inside this, so this is paddle 1. Now paddle 1 dot CSS left plus paddle width divided by 2. We'll get the paddle center also. So now we want to check whether, see, no, ball right left, this is not the angle, but ball right left is it when I'll show you. Ball right left, if by condition statement ball center is greater than paddle center, then ball right left will be, if ball center is greater than paddle center, then we have to move the ball to the right. See, right, else left. Okay, so now the ball will move to the right when the ball center is greater than paddle center, and if it's not, and then the ball will move to the left. This right and left ball, this ball right left is used to change the ball's CSS left accordingly, which means when it is right, ball should go right, so we will reduce the ball, we will increase the value of CSS left, and when it is left, the ball should go to the left, so that will increase the will decrease the value of left. Okay. Now we have to one more thing is there, that is the I forgot what is it, right left angle. Okay, right left angle is, it's nothing but the math dot absolute of paddle center minus ball center and this will have some, let's pass in those values, otherwise you'll get some point 0.3555 like that. Okay, now this right left angle will get paddle center minus ball center. So if this one, paddle center will be the when it hits the paddle 1, when it's paddle 1 will get these two values, paddle center and ball center. Ball center is the CSS left plus height divided by width divided by 2, and paddle center will be this paddle CSS left plus width divided by 2, which will be this. So if the paddle it will take the difference of paddle center and ball center, so we'll get some value like 2, 3, 5, 7 and something like that. Sometimes it will be 17 or 20 or more. So that will be that value we'll use to change the CSS left, that value. Okay, we'll see that we have. So now we have the ball right left and right left angle. So if this ball down, we'll have this same function. So before we can use it here, when it hits there's one change, that is this is paddle 2.css left. Okay, so if ball right left is right, and code is like this, ball dot CSS left is percent of ball dot CSS left. Now this ball right left is right. When it is right, we should move the ball to the right, which means we should increase this CSS ball CSS left with the right left angle. Okay, else, which means ball CSS right left is not right and it is left, then we have to, for this condition we are taking this ball right left, checking, okay, minus right left angle, so that it will move it to the left side. Okay, now we'll copy paste it here. Ball up function also same, code is same. So let's see it. See, it's, if there is a change, okay, this is that we are getting values like 4, I mean not 5, about 10 or 20. That's why we're getting an angle like that. So let's go and do, just we'll divide this with say 6 or 7 Okay, now let's see. Okay, it's fine now, right? Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Now we have to one more thing left, because when we have to check what happens when the ball hits the right and left of the container and the top and bottom of the container. The top and bottom of the container, when the ball hits the top and bottom, the game is over. Okay, and we have to decide who the winner is. And now we'll see what happens. We'll write the code for ball hitting right and left part of the container. Okay. Oh yeah, here. Else if we cannot use collision there, so we'll use this parseInt of ball dot CSS left. If parseInt ball will check now for the ball hitting the left side of the container. Okay, so parseInt of ball dot CSS left is less than or equal to 0 which means ball hitting the left side of the container. Ball dot CSS left is less than or equal to 0. If the ball goes to the left, the CSS left will become 0 or lesser, which means minus value. So if it's that, then we should change the direction of the ball to the right. That's nothing but, it's easy. Ball right left is change it to right. That's it, nothing else. And one more, that's the, let's copy this, right side, ball hitting the right side of the container. Ball.css left is greater than or equal to what? Container width minus bird width underscore. I'm using bird everywhere because my last game was about a bird. Yeah. So it's checking whether the ball CSS left is greater than or equal to container width minus ball width, which means here ball width is greater than or equal to container width minus ball width. That's how we check the CSS left, because we don't have the CSS left defined for ball and CSS right defined for ball and the paddle. Okay, so if it is greater, then if it hits the right side of the container, it should go to the left. So this one, ball right left is left. That will do it. Yeah. Yes, it's working perfectly. Yes. Yes. Okay, now let's write the conditions for ball hitting the top and bottom of the container. So else if parseInt of ball dot CSS top is greater than or equal to 0, ball hitting the top of the container. If parseInt of ball dot CSS top is greater than 0 or is 0, so we will update the who won function with, if it hits the top of the container, this guy won. Okay, so this is player 1. say player 1, and we'll call a function to stop the game. That's a game over condition. Okay, and if it is CSS stop is greater than or equal to, okay, this is not greater than, CSS stop is, this is less than or equal to, this is when the CSS stop is greater than or equal to container height minus ball height. Like the CSS right, we don't have CSS bottom also. All we have is the CSS left and CSS top. Okay, so we have to find it like this. It's if the CSS top is greater than the container height minus ball height, then who1 equal to player 2. This condition is to check whether the ball hit the bottom of the container. Okay, passing of ball, the CSS top is greater than container height minus ball height, and who1 will be updated with the player 2 and stop the game. Let's go and write or define the stop the game function. Function stop underscore the underscore game will first we'll do game over equal to true, and we'll cancel animation frame of anim underscore id, and this game over is true, therefore so we have to check here. We want animations to work when if game over is false, then do all these things, otherwise this function will be called again and again. Okay, that's it. Stop the game function will set the game over to true and cancel the animation of anim id, which is the repeat function. It will be cancelled. So let's see that. Okay, that's good. Sorry. Okay, it's working, and now we have to show this one, restart div. Okay, cancel animation frame, and now this, let's check this one more thing, that is the restart. No, this is restart. We have not given underscore bt. See, winner variable will have an id winner. That's a p tag we have in the HTML file. So winner dot text what who won the game, and restart. It's okay. This one more, the restart div. Restart underscore div dot slide down. Okay, winner dot text is who won the game, and the restart div dot slide down. Okay, and we have not defined the function for the reset button. Define it in a moment. Okay, player 1 won the game, and there's this restart button. Okay, let's go and write the code for reset button. Click restart btn dot click function location dot reload. Okay, yes, yeah, that's it. We have got all the conditions, the game over condition and right and left and everything. Now we can play the game. Okay, request animation frame animates all the animations are smooth. Okay, that the set interval function see. If we hide this restart button dot slide down, we can see something here, like when the game is over, see, you can still move the paddles, which is not cool. And if we were pressing it continuously, it will move. So we have to stop that because that's not cool. Yeah, here document dot on key down, we can check whether if game over is false. Okay, you can check it here. Okay, then we can come down and stop the game. We come to stop the and we can cancel the animation frame if it was not done. One more right, one more left, more right, more left. There. Yes. Move left P1 and all those move left P2. We can do this too. Move right B1 and otherwise when if the game is over, and let's write this, move right underscore P2. Okay, when the game is over and the key was pressed before, this animation frame will work. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, now it's not working, so no, all the animation frame will be cancelled due to this code. So now we can uncomment the slide down, the restart div to slide down. Okay, that's it. Now jQuery has adopted this function, request animation frame, to animate all the animations like slide down and everything. Okay, so it's good. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, and like it and share it.